Hey guys, today I've got some really affordable and useful to show you the OnePlus OP11 Cordless Hair Trimmer. No, not the OnePlus mobile brand. This is a different brand but definitely worth checking out if you're on a budget. I got this for just rupees 580 on Flipkart. So let's unbox it, check out what's inside and talk about whether it's worth buying. Here's the front of the box and it clearly says OnePlus Rechargeable Hair Trimmer and shows the trimmer's design with some key features printed on the side. Let's take a quick look at the highlighted features printed here. Adjustable guide combo of 3 and ham size, and on or off power switch and charging indicator light, and titanium coated blade for smooth trimming, and it even supports Type-C USB charging, which is a big plus for this price. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. As you can see, we get the trimmer itself, black body with yellow orange highlights, very lightweight Type-C USB charging cable, and adjustable trimming comb and cleaning brush, and a small user manual with instructions. Honestly, it's 580. This is a solid packaging and they've included all the basic accessories you'd expect. Now let's take a closer look at the trimmer. It has a textured grip which feels nice in hand. The on or off switch is clicky and easy to use. There's a charging light indicator at the bottom that glows when plugged in. And the blade is titanium coated, which should last longer and offer smoother cuts. It supports 4 length settings from 0.5 mm to 12 mm, which is perfect for beard shaping, trimming stubble, and even basic haircuts. This trimmer offers up to 120 minutes of usage on a full charge, which is awesome at this price point. And as I mentioned earlier, it charges using a regular Type-C cable, so no need to carry an extra charger. Just plug it into your phone adapter or power bank. The product page claims it's waterproof, so light rinsing might be okay, but I recommend not fully submerging it, always better to be safe. So overall, here's what I think about this OnePlus hair trimmer but for rupees 580. This is honestly a great deal for personal grooming and quick trims. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews and unboxings.